In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best gas grills. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best gas grills. Number 5, Royal Gourmet GA4402S. The Royal Gourmet GA4402S is a powerful and efficient gas grill for backyard enthusiasts. With a total cooking power of 54,000 BTUs across 5 burners, including a dedicated sear burner and a lidded side burner, this grill delivers high heat and precise control for all your barbecue favorites. Its spacious 632 square inches of cooking area, split between stainless steel grates and a chrome-plated warming rack, easily accommodates up to 15 burgers, making it ideal for entertaining. Built for convenience, the GA4402S features an electronic ignition system for quick startups and a side table for prepping and storing grilling tools. The durable stainless steel construction with a double-layer lid and enclosed cabinet ensures lasting performance and weather resistance. Equipped with a built-in thermometer and removable grease tray for easy cleanup, this grill combines functionality, style, and reliability to meet all outdoor cooking needs. Number 4, Weber Genesis E335. The Weber Genesis E335 is a premium grill that delivers exceptional performance and versatility for the seasoned griller. Its pure blue burners ensure even heat distribution across the expansive 669 square inches of cooking space, providing perfect results for searing steaks, grilling burgers, or sautéing veggies. The integrated side burner and grill locker offer additional functionality, allowing you to prepare sauces, sides, or store large grillware. With the addition of Weber's flavorizer bars, your meals are infused with that signature smoky flavor. Durability is at the core of the Genesis E335, with its robust frame and porcelain-enameled cast iron grates that retain heat efficiently. Cleanup is simplified with the pull-out grease tray, making post-grill maintenance quick and easy. The grill's thoughtful design with a 12-year limited warranty ensures it's built to last. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a dedicated griller, the Genesis E335 is a worthy investment for elevating your outdoor cooking game. Number 3, Char-Broil 463365124 Pro Series. Char-Broil 463365124 Pro Series takes versatility to the next level with its modular cooking system, allowing you to switch between traditional grilling, griddle cooking, and even charcoal grilling with the optional gas 2-coal tray. Delivering even heat distribution across its porcelain-coated cast iron grates, this grill offers a generous 412 square inches of primary cooking space and a 160 square inch warming rack, perfect for handling large meals. The innovative amplifier cooking system prevents flare-ups and enhances flavor, ensuring consistent, juicy results every time. The heavy-duty griddle top adds an extra layer of cooking flexibility, while the oversized side shelf provides ample workspace. Mobility is effortless with its sturdy 8-inch wheels and locking casters, and the durable design ensures years of reliable use. Backed by a comprehensive warranty, the Char-Broil 463355124 Pro Series is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a multifunctional, performance-driven grill for all outdoor cooking needs. Number 2, Weber Spirit 2 E310. The Weber Spirit II E310 offers a perfect blend of innovation and reliability for everyday grilling. Featuring Weber's GS4 grilling system, this model boasts an improved infinity ignition, powerful stainless steel burners, and a porcelain-enameled grease management system for a hassle-free experience. With 30,000 BTUs of cooking power and 529 square inches of cooking space, this grill is perfect for small family meals and larger gatherings. The porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates retain heat efficiently, ensuring evenly cooked food and those iconic grill marks. The open cart design features tool hooks, foldable side tables, and all-weather wheels for easy portability. A built-in lid thermometer keeps you informed of the cooking temperature, while the fuel gauge helps you monitor your propane levels. Assembly is easy with 3D interactive instructions available via the free BILT app. With its robust construction and thoughtful features, the Weber Spirit 2 E310 is a reliable companion for creating delicious grilled dishes. Number 1. Monument Grills Denali 605. The Monument Grills Denali 605 is a powerhouse designed for versatility and precision. With 6 main burners and a side burner delivering a combined 84,000 BTUs, this grill boasts an expansive 895 square inches of cooking space. Whether you're preparing an intimate dinner or a backyard feast, the 640 square inches of primary cooking space and 225 square inches of warming rack have you covered. Its standout feature is the integrated Bluetooth app control, letting you monitor and adjust temperatures remotely for perfectly cooked meals. Plus, the clear view lid, LED heat indicators, and multifunctional warming grid make grilling intuitive and enjoyable. Durability and elegance shine through its stainless steel construction, ensuring this grill withstands the elements while maintaining a polished finish. The addition of a built-in LED screen and a grill probe for precise monitoring elevates your cooking experience. With the option to convert from propane to natural gas, conversion kit sold separately, the Denali 605 adapts to your fuel preference. It's more than just a grill. It's a complete outdoor cooking solution that brings advanced technology and professional-grade performance to your backyard. There you have it. The top 5 best gas grills that cater to every grilling style and preference. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.